Okie doke, we let our bantam chicks out for a little bit. She thinks we have raisins, but we haven't brought them out yet.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Is this messy?
Go ahead, shake it.
Oh, they're all busy dust bathing.
It's some yummy.
They were. They'll be coming.
Sorry. You did. Yeah.